everybody, I'm Farm to School Coordinator Maisie, and today we're going to learn about sprouting seeds for eating. Sprouting seeds is great because in Vermont in the winter it's way too cold to grow seeds outside, and it's really easy. The seeds are inexpensive, you don't need soil, and you can use household materials to do it. And it's really nice to have growing green things around the house. So let's learn some more. Here I have a glass jar. Any clean glass jar will do. I have a sprouting lid, which is just basically a strainer that screws on to wide mouth jars. If you don't have one of these lids, you can buy it on the internet for about $6, or just use cheesecloth and a rubber band, and that'll work on any size jar. The important thing is that it keeps the seeds in, it lets water drain out, and air can flow in and out of the container. I have just a regular old bowl that I can fit my jar into upside down at an angle, just so that water can drain out of it. And last but not least, I have some broccoli seeds for sprouting. They are specially labeled for sprouting, and that's important because the seed companies will test these seeds to make sure that they don't have any bacteria hitchhikers that are coming along with them that make you sick. So they're safe for eating just as sprouts. I have a broccoli blend that includes plants in the Brassica family, such as broccoli, mustard greens, radishes, and kale. Though these veggies might seem different, they all do well in cold weather. They have edible leaves, and they have a lot of nutrients, including calcium, iron, potassium, and vitamins A and C, just to name a few.
Step 1. Wash your hands and the jar. Step 2. Measure 1 to 2 tablespoons of seeds into the jar. Step 3. Soak seeds as directed by the seed packet. Mine says soak the seeds for 2 hours. Double check that your water is cool, not hot. Step 4. After your seeds are done soaking, it's time to drain them. See if you can distribute the seeds on the outside of the jar, just so that they have more space, and try and get as much water as possible out of the jar. Step 5. Rinse seeds twice a day, in the morning and afternoon, for 3 to 7 days. Step 6. Watch if your seeds grow. The roots may look a little bit fuzzy, but it's not mold, they're just root hairs. Step 7. If you don't eat them immediately, store your sprouts in a Tupperware in the fridge for up to a week. Thanks for listening and happy sprouting!